In the scrap metal processing industry, versatility and portability are premium qualities. That's why Sierra International's innovative portable logger, the RB5000, is such a great success. This completely roadable logger meets just about every portable logging application with high productivity and reliability. Sierra designed this rugged machine to exact specifications, enabling the RB5000 to be easily portable. But portability doesn't mean shorter equipment life or smaller production capacity. Let's take a closer look at the RB5000. Here's a perfectly sized logger that can get to work right away wherever you need to log. The solid, self-framed construction design adds to the RB5000's longevity and makes the system extremely roadworthy as well. The RB5000's curved doors open wide for easy loading and feature our unique short-stroke rams that greatly reduce cycle time. These rams are powerful, crushing the loads with 240 tons of force per side. Structural details show the importance of proper design. Check out how the door hinges on the RB5000 are protected from damage during the logging cycle. The large loading chamber is lined with a special Hardox 400 plate, a more abrasive resistant steel than typical T1 liners, keeping you productive while protecting your valuable investment. Here's an unedited shot of exactly how long it takes to log this automobile. The RB5000 logs cars by using rams at both ends, compressing loads to shredder specifications with 168 tons of force. With a typical log density of 25 to 35 pounds per cubic foot and an average weight of over 2,000 pounds per log, your production should find greater acceptance in the marketplace. And the RB5000 not only compresses cars, but sheet metal and white goods as well. For added versatility, this crane rotates continuously and is fully operational while the logger is in use. Offload your customer's car while you're busy logging another. That's extra productivity you can use every day. The Orange Peel grapple with rotator was specifically designed to handle logs. Note the well-designed cab and the ergonomic controls designed for comfort, safety, and long-term use. Our automatic logging cycle makes it easy to concentrate on production rather than operational details, and we all know that more production means more money. In fact, the RB5000 can log 25 to 27 tons per hour. That's real-world productivity. Compare this machine with anything in the marketplace. Nothing even comes close. And the finished product fits nicely into the trailers commonly used for transport, an important consideration with today's strict Department of Transportation regulations. Maintenance considerations are an important part of the overall design of the RB5000. The hydraulic system is a good example of that design philosophy. All filters and fluid reservoirs are easily accessible by the operator. Throughout the Sierra line, only the finest Rexroth hydraulic components are used. Field-level maintenance capability is a hallmark Sierra feature. The turbo diesel engine provides loads of dependable power at lower RPM, saving you money every day. Productivity is the name of the game, and the RB5000 comes fully equipped, ready for high-speed productivity anywhere you need it.
We bought the 5000 because we used to have another baler. It was a lot slower, but this baler is a lot more versatile. We can do our cars in, 10 in it both, and the production went way up. And due to the way the scrap is right now, up and down, we need to get the best freight we can get. So the baling the material has really helped us out a lot.
So, for portable, high-speed loading capability, the RB5000 is your best choice. Contact your Sierra representative today and turn your scrap into dollars.